In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your paper notes into digital notes in Notion. If you're someone who enjoys the tactile feel of jotting down notes with pen and paper, but also wants the organization and accessibility that digital notes offer, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll see how simple it is to bridge the gap between traditional note-taking and modern productivity tools like Notion. First things first, we'll need to digitize those handwritten notes. Grab your smartphone, a versatile tool you likely carry everywhere. Most smartphones have built-in cameras that can be used as document scanners. But if you want to enhance the quality, you might want to consider using a dedicated document scanning app. These apps are designed to capture high-resolution images of documents, flattening out curves and enhancing readability. They often come with features to adjust the lighting for clearer text and can reduce shadows that your regular phone camera might not eliminate. Once you've got your camera or scanning app ready, go ahead and scan each page of your handwritten notes. The scanning process can be quick and painless. Just hold your phone steadily over each page and capture the images. Most apps provide the option to batch scan, which saves time by letting you scan multiple pages in a single session. After scanning your notes, take a moment to review the captured images. Make sure everything is legible and correctly oriented. If needed, make use of in-app editing features to crop or rotate images. Now save these scanned notes as PDFs or images. PDFs are ideal for multi-page documents, keeping everything compact and organized in a single file. Images, however, can be easier if you want to individually manipulate or integrate them into other notes. Now that you have your notes ready in a digital format, it's time to transfer them into Notion. Open Notion on your computer or mobile device. If you prefer using drag and drop, it's a straightforward way to upload your files. Simply open the page where you want to store your notes and drag the file directly into that page. It's quick and lets you see your notes right away. Alternatively, if you're handling photo images of your notes, you can use the / command followed by image to create an image block. This option allows more flexibility, as you can add captions or arrange the images around other content within Notion. For documents saved as PDFs, you can use the / command followed by PDF to embed the file. This way your notes will appear in a neat, scrollable window right there in your Notion page. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully brought those valuable handwritten insights into the digital realm of Notion, combining the best of both worlds. Whether you're organizing, sharing, or presenting your notes, Notion makes it effortless to integrate physical writing into a digital workspace. Happy note-taking!